All right, so Polkadot is one of the largest altcoins in the entire crypto market, but if you're looking at what it has done in the last couple of years, it really has underperformed. It's currently trading around $5 per token, has around a $7.7 billion market cap, and relative to its all-time highs, it is down nearly 80 to 90%. So this presents a major opportunity, in my opinion, because when looking at Polkadot, looking at its overall ecosystem, there's a lot of exciting and cool projects that are launching on it, and because Polkadot hasn't yet seen its rally over the last year, I'm expecting that it is going to be one of the biggest gainers in 2025. And if we're looking at projects on its ecosystem, there's been a lot of different projects, specifically in the DeFi space, for Polkadot. One of them is called Hydration. Hydration is like a groundbreaking DeFi platform on Polkadot. It's an entire chain, a Polkadot rollup created solely for decentralized finance, and it's designed to make trading and lending like as natural as possible. So think of this project like Uniswap, but it's had a lot more years of development, new features behind it, and it really doesn't have any fragmented liquidity. There's no complex cross-chain transactions, no high trading fee spikes. Like, there's none of that. And so Hydration is doing what Uniswap did for Ethereum, but it's doing the same thing but better for Polkadot. So that's something that I really like, because when you're looking at Hydration, it's really reliable and consistent in terms of its execution. It has pretty low trading fees. It's very fast. There's a lot of features that are only possible on Hydration Network because it's built on, built with Polkadot SDK as a rollup. It's really just seamless and easy from bridging from Ethereum and Solana into Polkadot. So it really does all of this. And so a few things I want to talk about is, if we look at Hydration, they say, look, finance made efficient. They say finance made simple. Ultimately, Hydration unites swaps, lending, and the Holler stablecoin under the roof of a scalable application. You can see in terms of total value locked, there's a total of $50 million in TVL. Trading volume is around $87 million over the last 30 days. Cross-chain volume is around $44 million. There's 219 tradable assets and 50,000 total accounts. So this is a platform that people are already actively using and already excited about. So in terms of their actual application, if we go ahead and click on Launch App, it's going to bring us to this page right here, where you can see the HDX versus USDT token, and you're brought into the platform. So I connected a new wallet here so I can show you guys exactly how it works. But all you have to do is make sure you connect a wallet. It's very simple. It connects with an EVM-friendly wallet, or like a Polkadot wallet like Nova or Talisman or Subwallet or one of those. And like, this is going to be a one-stop shop where you can ultimately do anything on the Polkadot ecosystem. You could trade on the Polkadot ecosystem, borrow, you could get liquidity, you could even check out their meme pad, which we'll go over in a minute. But something that is pretty exciting to see. So if you're looking at this platform, one thing that really stands out to me, especially recently, is going to be MemePad, because MemePad, it is the fastest meme coin creator on Polkadot without hidden fees. This is something that's really cool, because all you need to do is put an asset name, asset symbol, total supply, you deposit the initial supply and initial token price. You'll see that. This is something that is very simple and easy to go about creating, and it's one of the only places you can do this on Polkadot this easily and this quickly. And like I said, Polkadot has underperformed relative to Cardano or relative to Solana, relative to other projects. So I think this with meme coins could really help bring Polkadot to the next level this market cycle. And with Hydration having this meme pad platform, I think that's going to be really cool. So if we're looking at some of the benefits of this HDX token, which you can see on their platform right here. In terms of HDX, you can see that the token has a few main benefits. In terms of staking rewards, there's one thing that I really like about it in terms of staking rewards. So in terms of the HDX token, you can see in terms of staking, if you go to the staking page, it'll say how to stake. Get HDX, stake your HDX, boost your rewards, and claim rewards and unstake. In terms of this, there's a high APR. So for staking, stakers can earn up to like 40% non-inflationary rewards over a specified period. And you can see it says the projected APR is right around 32.46%, but this can change just depending on the duration, depending on what's going on at the time you go about staking it. And it's very simple and easy to do. You just input the amount, you'll go ahead and click on stake. So again, that's something that is very simple and easy, and you can unstake it at any time. So once you want to go about unstaking, you just would go to unstake your tokens, and again, very simple and easy. In addition to this, another benefit of Hydration is going to be with distribution of their protocol revenue, because the cool thing about it is that they're always collecting fees. So with it, 50% is distributed to referrals to 3 distinctive groups. You can see referrers, traders, and HDX stakers. So the proportions vary based on a tier of referral code linked to the trader account, but ultimately, stakers receive rewards that are directly linked to the protocol's revenue. So if you're staking tokens, the benefit is there's always fees, but when people are using and trading and using the protocol, which you see there's millions and millions of dollars on the protocol, there's 50,000 accounts. So as people are using it, they have a mechanism where 50% of trading fees from non-HDX trades are used for buybacks, which are then redistributed, like I said, to referrers, traders, and stakers. So that's something that, again, is really cool. In addition to this, if we look at liquidity and what's going on with the platform. With Hydration, it's a fully decentralized protocol run by on-chain governance. You can see it has on-chain governance. It's powered by their native HDX token. And the thing that I want to point out is this: the protocol own liquidity. So liquidity is the foundation to Hydration and its protocol. So the protocol disposes over a large treasury, which is continuously diversified through on-chain governance. And so with the use of their POL, their protocol-owned liquidity, they're able to do this for buying HDX from the market to distribute to stakers. They're also able to enhance its liquidity, market stability. This, again, is very, very important. Other thing is going to be in terms of open governance. That's something that I really like as well, because with their thing called OpenGov, this ultimately is for holders of HDX. And holders of HDX can go about participating in governance, allowing them to vote on decisions, decide what's going to happen with the project moving forward, and help with the direction. That, again, is really cool. And then they also have a couple of different ecosystem incentives and other benefits that are really for holders, people who stake the token, people who are part of the community. Next thing I want to go over is going to be with their Omnipool technology, because if we look at it, they talk a little bit about their Omnipool technology on their main page, where it says, swap your favorite assets. Hydration combines several types of trading AMMs to offer the best execution for your swaps: Omnipool, stable pools, and isolated pools. And so with Omnipool, Hydration Network, it utilizes Omnipool where all assets are interconnected. And so if we take a look at their application, we're going to go over to liquidity. We're going to go over to all pools. So Hydration utilizes an Omnipool where all assets ultimately are connected in one place. And so you can see it says $50 million is the total value in their Omnipool, $18.5 million in the stable pool, and $1.3 million in the isolated pool, with a 24-hour volume of around 2.1 million. So with the Omnipool, it's only designed to reduce liquidity fragmentation, which is common in traditional AMMs. It helps to ensure smoother, faster swaps, and it helps with the whole operation of the DeFi activities on the platform. So again, I really like that. In addition to this, it also allows for single-sided liquidity provisioning, where users can ultimately add liquidity with just one asset, like Polkadot or BTC, and this reduces complexity. You can see that they talk all about this as well. It says Omnipool and stable pool, but they also have like isolated pool as well, which is where you can easily go about doing that. This just ensures like capital efficiency, faster speeds. It ensures just a lot of really unique aspects that you don't see other places. So if you're looking at it, they also have, if you look at the top, they have their wallet, but also cross-chain capabilities. So with Hydration Network, they have a lot of very simple features, very useful features. And one of them is this cross-chain functionality, where you can easily go about swapping from, like, say, Ethereum, you can see, to Hydration, or you could do from really a number of different protocols. Like, you can just say from Solana to hydration. You just have to connect a Solana wallet. Like, they make it very simple and easy to go about doing cross-chain swaps, and this is possible because of their high liquidity, their Omni pool, and just the TVL they currently have on the platform ensures that you can do this seamlessly, efficiently, and with low fees. So this is just a seamless like cross-chain bridge, and you can see that they've talked about this over on their X as well, where we could take a look at this, where you can see they talked about trading Solana on hydration now, how Solana is now tradable. That was just recently, and like I just spoke about, something that is really cool. So in terms of the overall platform, they have some pretty impressive stats. 50 million total value locked, 87 million in trading volume, 44 million in cross-chain volume, 219 tradable assets, and 50,000 total accounts. This is by no means a small platform, but on top of this, they also have Holler, which is the future deserves Holler, a decentralized over-collateralized digital currency designed to be price stable. They have their meme pad, which we already talked about, which is designed to easily and quickly create meme coins on Solana's blockchain. And so if you're just looking at what's going on, this is a platform that is designed for every single DeFi user. It's designed for a trader who's like looking for optimal rates. You could see that with trading. It's designed for lenders, which are seeking consistent returns. You could just look at that in the borrow section. It's designed for people who like meme coins, people who want to provide liquidity for simplified options. It just really has all the different tools that you can need in the crypto space. They have Holler, their next-gen stable asset. They have HDX, which is their native ecosystem token. And also they have all of these cool tools. So this is a platform I am really excited about. Like I said, they do have a native ecosystem token, but they are much more than that. They have this entire DeFi platform. So if you're bullish on Polkadot, this is a project that I think has the potential to be like the Uniswap of Polkadot's ecosystem. So it's really definitely worth taking a look at, using, and looking at their token, because I think it is really undervalued at